Howdy everybody, welcome back. Today we'll be replacing this head on Zone 8 by the planter bed, which has stopped rotating and has been there for a very long time. It's an original PGP that was installed with the system. So very, very old, and it stopped rotating, so we're gonna fix it. And we're going to be replacing it with this Hunter PGJ. So let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is dig. I'll fast forward this part. So the only snag is that the PGP is a 3/4 inch head and the PGJ is a 1/2 inch head. So how we're going to get around that is we're going to use this 3/4 to 1/2 adapter, or invert it, and it's a 1/2 to 3/4 adapter, whatever you want to say. But we'll use it. We'll use it this way, and yeah, we'll see you guys when I remove the head. So I'm gonna try and get this. Oh, yeah, it's on there pretty well. I have to like squeeze the whole thing in order to get it off. Sorry about the wind, by the way. This thing is tightened. Okay, so this riser, it's not metal unlike any other one in the system, so that might hint that this head has been replaced before. I'm going to insert my adapter into the PGJ, and there is a 2-gallon-a-minute nozzle in there, but I think I'm going to change it to a higher flow amount, like 2.5 or 3. So yeah, let me do that real quick. Take out the old nozzle. Okay, sorry you couldn't see there for a second. Pop that one out. Pop my new one in. These are by far the easiest nozzles to put in. And yeah, that's far enough in, so gonna go ahead and screw this back down. Okay, perfect. Let's install this. So I'm gonna try to just insert this in, screw it down. It's in the right area. The right stop, which is fixed on Hunter rotors, is incorrect, so I'm just going to turn the whole head, plus I'm tightening it. So yeah, turning the whole head to my desired spot for my right arc. Right stop. And that's a bit... No, that's fine. Okay. And I'm going to set the left stop using my Hunter key again. The arc slot is right back here, and we're gonna make it positive, which means turn it clockwise until we get just about 180-degree angle. So a little more, and it's a little much. So that's perfect. Yeah, okay. Let's bury this back up. Let's go ahead and test it. Alright, here it is. And it shoots pretty far back. It's gonna catch this spot right here. It's been brown. It's gonna do a great job. Stops just about there. That's about it for this one. Stay tuned for the next episode.